Oh, hi there. My plans for Thanksgiving? Turkey, friends, family, and football.
I'm going to go home for Thanksgiving. My family comes to my house every year, and then I'm going to go Black Friday shopping.
So for Thanksgiving, I'll be going with my family to my aunt's house, and we always have Thanksgiving dinners together, and then we'll probably sit around and watch some football afterwards. So just a regular American family dinner, I guess.
I'm going to be going home and baking a lot of very bad for you foods with my mom, and then we are going to go shopping, not to get any great deals, but to watch people run around the stores.
I'm gonna go home, and the Packers are playing on Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna watch that and eat a bunch of turkey.
And I'm just gonna go home, hang out with family, enjoy my time off, and hopefully the Packers will lose.
Going to Mom's house and having lots of turkey and pie.
My plans for Thanksgiving this year is to hang out with my family, eat lots of turkey, hang out in my sweatpants, and just relax for the day.
My plans for Thanksgiving is to go home, go to my family house, and basically eat a lot of food. Shop for Black Friday. So we try to do Thanksgiving early, go to sleep, and then go shopping at midnight.
Well, we're going to do some family things for Thanksgiving. It's really a great time that everyone can get together from all over the country. We do love Black Friday while the men watch football on TV. So lots of good food, lots of good family and some friends, and it's going to be a great time.
Casanova College
wishes you a happy Thanksgiving.